So this is not exactly what I have in my mind for this evening. So this is the C14, this is the Edge HD version, and the mount here that I have is the Orion HDX 110. So this is very similar to the EQ8, I was told. So EQ8 is not available in the market. So trying to use this used mount for some time. I had to sell that CGXL mount when we moved from the other house. So I hope this is going to work well with the C14. Back of the telescope, I have a 0.7x reducer, a moonlight focuser, Starizona filter slider, and the adapters from the ZWO for the 55mm back focus, and the ZWO 533 camera, one shot color. I really don't know what my target is going to be for tonight. I'm going to definitely take some pictures of moon. I wanted to go really close and see if I can actually see some craters